We have a weather impact alert in effect. It begins Saturday at 4 p.m. through Sunday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon because of a flood watch that's in effect. All the green shaded counties, Tom Green and Taylor counties both included. Most of the Fox West Texas viewing area from McCulloch County, Brady, Menard, northwestward towards Scurry County, Throckmorton, all included in the flood watch. That means conditions are favorable for heavy rainfall, and that could lead to some flash flooding. I think most folks that see rain likely going to see between about 1 to 3 inches, perhaps as much as 5, and some computer models are indicating even as much as 8 inches of rain. Now, I think that's a worst case scenario. Not everyone is going to be seeing that much rain. Know that it can't be ruled out, though. It's a possibility. So make sure you're staying weather aware this weekend. You can download that Fox West Texas mobile app. That will alert you to any alerts, any watches or warnings that get issued for your viewing area. So make sure you're staying weather aware and situationally aware as well, just in case the heavy rainfall does come to your backyard. You know what to do to stay safe. For us in the Concho Valley and the Big Country, though, we are staying dry, as is the case across most of the Lone Star State. I'm keeping an eye on these storms in Texas, the Texas Panhandle, far eastern New Mexico. That's associated with that upper level disturbance that's eventually going to be bringing us the rain. As of now, though, no concerns. That's going to be the case overnight tonight. Saturday morning, we'll be waking up with some clouds around rain off to the west. That should dissipate as it approaches our area. It's not until afternoon Saturday we'll start to see storms form, perhaps as far south as the Concho Valley. More likely in the Big Country, though, and you see some of that purple popping up on radar. That's the potential for heavy rain. And this version of Timecast showing the heaviest rain located a little bit further to the east. Don't get too hung up on the location. These computer models, they're good, but they're not perfect with placing the heaviest rain exactly where it'll be in reality. So again, just make sure you're paying attention to the weather. And once storms actually start forming, we'll have a better idea of where the best threat for the heaviest rain will likely be. We'll likely see some redevelopment of showers and thunderstorms Sunday morning into Sunday afternoon. The flood watch officially ends at 1 p.m. As of now, that could potentially be extended, though, so be paying attention to our website. We'll be updating that if the flood watch timing gets adjusted. No concern for flooding imminently right now in San Angelo, though. It's a pleasant Friday evening with clouds around, or not with clouds, with cars around. Maybe a little bit of some clouds too. Sorry, folks, it has been a long week. We've been busy in the weather department. 81 degrees right now at St. Angelo Mathis Airport. Some of the storms we see this weekend might produce some 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and some quarter-size hail. We have that 2 out of 5 slight risk from Ira Ann towards Midland, Wink, and southeastern portions of New Mexico. 1 out of 5 marginal risk for most of the Fox West Texas viewing area. Similar story for your Sunday, similar risk. The higher threat, though, likely to be that excessive rainfall that could lead to some flash flooding. We're in the 80s right now, sitting at 83 degrees Abilene, 81 degrees in San Angelo with those southeasterly winds. The rain tomorrow looks to start afternoon, so might not be a bad day to eat lunch outside. We'll be seeing those temperatures in the 80s, about 82 degrees noon tomorrow. Highs looking to be in the low 90s, about 91 degrees. We have that red for the second half of Saturday, first half of your Sunday. Again, for that potential of some heavy rainfall, make sure you're staying weather aware. High of 90 for your Monday, 30% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, 60% coverage for your Sunday. You can find the full forecast online and the latest on social media. Bert?